Hey guys, Travis with TravisWTMC. Michael Kors said they were doing a massive sale today, so we came down here to the Plaza of Kansas City, Missouri, and we're about to go on a massive shopping haul. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I just finished my shopping haul here at Michael Kors. We got tons of products, some shoes, some bags, some crossbodies. So let's head back to my closet and take a look. Hey guys, I know you can barely see us behind the mountain of our haul, but we're going to go through what we got today at Michael Kors. Now, this is a little bit of a reverse on the haul because almost all of these products I've already done a review on. So throughout the video, if you see anything you like, there'll be a little pop-up right here. You can either add it to your watch list, or if you're tired of this video, why don't you jump over there and check out what you're interested in. All right, let's get right into it. Let's start off with the peak of the mountain, which is ooh, I love this piece. This is the Michael Kors Prism. It is extremely beautiful because of that rose gold. So let's just place that right here and continue our haul. We'll jump into an item for men or women, because the next pair of shoes I got, some would say are for women, and I would have to disagree. But these are so awesome. They are Michael Kors with the kind of like, it looks like spray painted MK there on the foot. And then it's a little hard to see, which I was disappointed in. But what are these called? These are called Keaton slip-ons. You can kind of see it has MK everywhere, but they do run a size small. So if you're going to be ordering these online, I would go to a full and a half size larger. And if you want a true slip-on, like around the house slip-on, you're going to want to go 2 sizes larger with these Keaton slip-ons. That's just my advice, but they're really cute. I had to try on a lot to finally find one to fit. They are not made in my standard size. So let's get into the other shoes in a minute. Oh, here we go. This is a beaut. This is absolutely amazing. It's got the signature Michael Kors everywhere. And this is actually their signature bag. So it comes with a little purse that's upside down, a little purse that's attached with a lanyard. And it's kind of cute because it's attached to the bag itself. And it's also, that's not quite a crossbody. So it's also just, it's got a nice strap. But I like to bury the strap in the inside, drop the purse back in there, and I like to go handles because, oh, yeah, well, that's supposed to be sticking out. That's part of its aesthetic. Just a really cute handbag addition. And we'll tuck that right there. And let's do another pair of shoes. All right. Oh, these are so beautiful. These are, and I forgot the name, these are the Poppy Lace-Ups. So the Poppy Lace-Ups are these beautiful pink shoes with rose gold for the trim. It's got rose gold for all of the eye loop holes. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then the back has a rose gold heel. So if that doesn't get you excited, then I don't know. I think my favorite color I decided yesterday was rose gold. For the majority of my life, it's been shiny black. And then a while back, it turned into pink. And then I realized a couple days ago or yesterday that I could literally say rose gold as a color. So rose gold, rose gold, rose gold. I love it. It's just my favorite color. Anything left in here? Oh, womp, womp, womp. Okay, here's our final product. And this is the only one that you're not going to see a call out for up in the corner. This review is going to be coming in the future few weeks. So if you're watching this in the future, you might see a call out right there. If not, I'm just pointing at the corner of my closet. Ooh, this is a beaut. I don't even know what she's called. She's just so beautiful. I had to have her. Look at that. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to do a review like I like to do because you'll have to wait for the review. But if I could find the tag and at least let you know what she's called, that would be helpful. It says MK Charm. I don't know if that's the name. Phoenix X Body. It's gibberish. It's code and stuff. So when I do the review on it, you'll get the name. For now, we'll just call it the Michael Kors Charm because it is very charming. We will find out what is up with this center thing in the review. So look for that, and we'll just... I'm kind of having a weird stacking situation here. We'll just put it right like that. Kind of, sort of. Completely blocks out one of the best pieces. So I'll just hold it up. Alright, I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Bye.